Young, yes, the youngest mayor Lokona in the history.
And Salesian boys with girls like this.
Bantu bayahlala la kaManzini with these high walls and everything. Alale umuntu wangazi because there is no. Lapha uthi usakhuluma nabo uve ama-pallets ematsha ababuya ngala ngakini. Senikhuluma indvu abangafuni lifa. Le youth ethi.
Hlala na meya ufunzani vetting. Kufuna kudliwa le mali yamasipala kuhesho letulu. Awuye Ocean Cuisine. Ndiyabuya Ocean Cuisine. Ocean Cuisine babambe emanzini.
Nalama local artists within our spaces abekhona athepe in
Superstar Rockstar level, Buffett, come back to the biggest YouTube channel. Buffett, if you haven't subscribed by now, please put this video, subscribe. Buffett, hit the notification button, comment, and most importantly, share this video. Buffett, to let everyone know what's the biggest YouTube channel is Parati inside right in the building. Enjoy Buffett to see la clear store, Gamanzini, Landas, Salesian, Teresa, Zikona, Parati inside. We are in the building, selling local brands. Of course, shout out to Nelson X and Ashling Babonema and Dela story about Boy Rock this one. And la, Snabo Black Degree, Snabo Vintage, Eswatini, Max Wax, Skonya just joined. Shout out to Skonya, by the way. And my friends, we are doing it big for the culture. Make sure you check them out on social media, on Instagram, TikTok, most importantly, on Facebook, who's corner. My details with our kinds of gonna have. But friends, this is a very special episode. My friends, it's a very special episode, and I'm not even lying. Probably this street is gonna be named after the podcast. What's the story street, my friends? I'm telling you, this one is for the books, my friends. So, senior owner Mhlonishwa Manzini, his worship Wesley Dlamini is in the building. You made me miss the intro a couple of times, Mhlonishwa, but at least I got it this time.
I'm good.
How are you, Mhlonishwa?
No, I'm good. Me happy, my brother.
I had no idea, on how you address the mayor, Guti, as opposed to say his worship. Very but also about you learn every day. What is that thing that you guys normally wrap around your neck?
It is here, but maybe when you see parts and everything.
That trip chain.
That's my swag.
Yeah. Is that really cold? Now I forgot. I was actually supposed to tell you to come with it. What's the symbol of that chain?
It actually symbolizes the office, of being actually the number one citizen and the responsibility that you carry. It actually stands out based on that.
Oh, I had no idea. So apparently you are the youngest mayor in the building. We are doing it big. So we are so excited. Before we even get any further with the conversation, I just would like, again, I know we said it off camera, to just welcome you to the show. And you took a chance on us. We literally would say that because normally Banfunas by invites, especially Bandabanga say serious. This boy is yet to play, or this is just a game. This is what we do.
Yeah,
this is literally us. So we literally are grateful for your time. Also shyly around Nazi, especially since it's under I wing ya. But
that's true.
Now that Lana Molo in charge. So let's get into it, Mayor. What's the responsibility of a mayor? Now I'm Kazela. Because me, I definitely had no idea. Then we're gonna tap into Guti, how did you become the youngest mayor and your journey to becoming who you are today. But I just wanna know maybe roughly Guti mayor. When done that?
I believe now, Mayor, if you bring it to the concept of it's a company in Dawzana, when the similarities you don't understand that I am saying with. But now you are more of a chairperson in the organization than the so you actually the chairperson, while you assume the role as being a mayor. So you are the chairperson, you're the board, and my responsibilities are eventually see through is everything operating the way it has to be operating. And my citizens are apart and issues of infrastructure. Is the infrastructure in a good position? It's in danger to try and improve the infrastructure and the things that are actually. But most definitely, welfare. Again, should anything happen within the town, it's actually my responsibility. But Wesley, what happened when you know, it's actually bad.
Yeah, it is. It's deep, bro. So now, do you go to school? You're applying being mayor. Out of curiosity, mina ngiyabuta nje ukuthi uyafunza yini uthi hayi vele ngifunzela ukuba mayor, or what's the process to becoming a mayor?
I'd say if you are educated, or it's actually an added advantage that actually comes with it. The environment yakho is usasebenta usheshe adjust, like, because good scholar really that has to do with, but naso board chairperson sekunaletinye that can be organizational that you'd have to try and understand. But good scholar naturally this city you go to school and learn utsudabang mayor. As long as you are a councillor, bakuneti responsibility what in la konjemine. In Wesley, I come from Ward 6, which is around Bochifi, Mbule constituency there. The Nati Chief is Grand Valley, Woodmasters, William Pitcher, late. So the constituency I'm there. So Bonego fit Lama residents I assume the position first of being a councillor. It starts there. Putting in councillor. So who can be a councillor? It can be anyone, community leader, young, old, gender that's required for that again. But in every space, you try and promote the gender balance. It's very important to some extent. But as long as you're a councillor, obviously, as you build up, we are up for no previous crimes, no thing that could see. The compromise are you in your persona. Then from there, since we get to be sworn in as councillors. We go through the process layer, and immediately after we being sworn in, for we need a chairperson, which then becomes the mayor in those instances. So we then elect from. Okay. These 12 wards that actually consist of the composition of the mayor or sing council.
Yes.
So from there, then we elect someone from chairperson. So there's nothing, as long as anyone can be a mayor, so as long as he's a council.
Mayor who elect on
councillors.
Because that's what that was my follow-up question. Who now then elects the mayor? Okay. Nah, thank you so much for the background. So for at least this understanding yegbang mayor manje. So now please take us back, Mr. Wesley. We see uhamba njani in as far as your life is concerned, udalo apho uphuma phi, so ufike la kulesigaba lokiso nyalo. Do you even ever think that you'd be a mayor at some point?
Most definitely not, but Wesley ngathi njenga Wesley nani ngafuna ukumunderstand as a person. Wesley gets to kutalwa la kaManzini Wesley in 1988, which I believe older than 37. So that actually says how young, yes, the youngest mayor Lokona in the history.
Hey guys.
Yeah, and again, Wesley is born and raised in Manzini. Wesley utalwa in Nazarene, like Lengeshare, which is actually our Ward 2. Wesley attends the Doutzen City Creche in Lagamanzini, in my ward, a Tiny Tots. That's where I done my creche and everything. Then Wesley, we are Hamba Wesley primary schooling in St. Michael's. That's where I done my primary schooling from grade 1 till I completed grade 7. Jobasati, St. Michael's, high school then only becomes female. So Salesian, just across the road, that's where I then complete my high schooling. That's where I done my complete high school. Then I believe from there life took me the tertiary direction, but not immediately. Ngaqale ngasebasebenza, then I worked for the university. Ngenza nalawo nje ma-piece job as I came in as a youth. Ngicetha sikolwa. I done a bit of law at university, which I could say then is an added advantage now when I law this kind of work. Because you are more like a rulemaker, now can say like in local government, you're like a mini parliament. You are able to set certain rules, regulations within the Europa. So I'd say that's a first added advantage. Then I went to South Africa, and I started up. I loved actually my accounts, so I actually done auditing. I completed record time nakhona. I completed my degree. Then I got to come back to ngafunza eVaal, that is Vaal University in the Vaal Triangle in Vanderbilt Park Vaal campus.
Yes. Nice. Yeah. So now you get back. Obviously, njengoba usho ukuthi ngifuna lokuva ukuthi now when you come back so ne degree.
Okay.
What's the move now? Because phela so Kansas sesikhuluma nyalo name nyalo it's not normal now. So what makes you think it's okay now angibe ngikhansela?
I think reality yakho konke lesingele sesiyakubalekela. You can go get your qualifications, but without figure in a space, then kind of like struggling. Sabhala ima application, you'd have that dream like of driving that goal, success school, and then reality then on the ground hits you. I had got opportunities in South Africa, but since he started in South Africa, was that xenophobia thing at some point, like you call. So most of these jobs, being told, then required you being a South African to some basic you get to also qualifying based on that. So after I experienced that, then I want to know, let me go back to Swaziland and start life there. Coming back to Swaziland, you go to interviews, up and down, up until in a background. I come from a transport kind of family. So was paid for, I believe, even today. So I decided, so why not tap into business? So my first then life out of it was like, let me try and then rather than me being angry about society and let me try to do something for myself. That's when I went to Ngangena into the transport business, Makumbi and Quantum. That's how I got into Ngipile then up until the Enzawaniam, which was low at 6. They believed there's Bangbona maybe market capabilities, about bone other roles of leadership that I was actually in, assume as Ngatanza was leader within the space. I think that was 2017. That's where I've been in council. This is actually my second term.
Would you say you were Kasi boy? What you ngaba nekas? Now vela nje. What you
Okay, born and raised in the hood, as you know, Kulele HEV.
Dabuye HEV.
Yeah, I was born and raised there. Actually, my life, okay, but it's Wesley Snipes.
Played.
Yeah, but that has been my nickname for the longest of times, as in Sakula. From actually primary St. Michael's, I think that's where I picked it up. I think in Alokex Segu assume a leadership role. I think actually started there, the primary. Standard 5. I believe the greatest role of leadership was given by Tishela was a class teacher bebathing Mr. Mzebeli. Yes, abesifundise primary. Now, I was known to be this, I always, you know, this kind of unruliness to some extent. So, like, how he introduced it to me, it shocked, was very funny. And it got to, would say, in order, kubamba skebe, sebendisa skebe. So that was the narrative. It was so cool, I would say, to get noisemakers or Balabanjan, because Wesley's always there, Wesley now know, then that's how I got to assume leadership. I led, then it spilled on, it came again on a passer, Salesian prefect, head boy from Form 1 to Form 5, still leadership was
and
there.
Salesian boys with girls like this. That's a known fact.
I know the big leadership.
TV, Salesian. Then you come.
I assume that even when I got to Val, we actually established the association, the Internal Auditing Student Association. We actually started it at Val, which I assumed in that position again, deputy chairperson with a friend of mine, Val is from MLO. I think we had the touch on school Maswati in a foreign country. We got those clicks very well because Maswati. So yeah, a very intelligent guy, which I learned from a lot from him. Younger than me, but now there's a lot that you actually pick from him. I wish you would see now a stereotyped mindset. There's nothing I can learn from that. I think in society finally started a shift from that. Because so you get young people who are very intelligent. Now vice versa young people should sit with old people. There's a lot that can actually get from there. But the leadership there, then we started an association, which I became secretary. I'm actually the secretary general to date. So I think in these like leadership positions, and okay, I had not had the ambition or wanted to be a mayor in my first term. I always believe now when we are phones, that's something that's very important. Then you want to assume or be in charge of something. I believe in reading the room. You read the room, get to study the culture, because everywhere has some form of culture. You should have a corporate culture in every setup. So I believe after again my second term, assume as councillor, I can say I assume my second term. That's when they believe, okay, get every financial year. Now, I should say every May, get for. So the next stage, I don't make that figure for every financial.
5 years in Parliament, it's every year.
It's every year we are kids because we are actually governed by Urban Government Act. So it actually stipulates of good Singangena, it cannot be every May. Let me say it's in August. Sita uketha lutaba interim who's going to lead us up until April. Then we assume this is lo. Let us say we angena. Let us lead us through the flow.
Anje kubuhlungu kusuka kuPower man. Asofike lapha sawubamba asafuni kuphuma.
But tradition, honestly speaking, I think that's the biggest challenge in I'd say in Africa. Not in a bad way. Out of the chair, leadership in Africa. I'm one person who believes in change leadership. Let us experience different forms of leadership. Okay, yes, in culture yethu ye-leadership lekhona la kaNgwane may not take that like, but nathi siyakhetha every 5 years people assume by parliament sibe na prime minister lomusha ushinje kube kanjalo kuba kanjalo. But I am the mayor nyalo ngibuke ema-interest abantu akusiko kwami la. I was never akusilifa lami lokuthi I'm actually the mayor. I only assume office at a given time, and utawuphela then we experience in your leadership.
Hey, kevakala mhlonishwa. But now I'm trying to understand ukuthi yini ama perks manje ekuba mayor, maybe from being a councillor, ukuthi maybe do you get a new car, do you get a house, and now phela we see ukuthi labanye bese kuba nema wall fence ekhaya budget ase GV nasekakufuna sekosa bona iPA.
There's not much difference, because we need to understand ukuthi i-setup yethu thina in Swaziland actually lo kuba mayor akufani nase South Africa. In South Africa you are an executive mayor. Shosi in that way you wake up to work every day. Unel office le kanti we are non-executive members. It's like isil board nje lelita kuta accounta on certain days that are actually prescribed under my meetings ukuthi siba nawo nini. But yes, mina as a mayor I do have an office. Now there are pressing issues like that I have to deal with. Yes, there can be a car designated to me to execute the office to move me there and there. But I'm a non-executive mayor, so we just meet to Gwenda show because sisebenda with what is called a delegation of power. So every time siyayiphassisa le delegation of power nakungena mayor lomusha leyo council lekhona ukuthi sithi no CEO nema directors akho go and execute this and this and this and this. So mina ngisumlutho utangibona ngikhomba abantu bahesha ukuthi ihesha kanje. No, I'm not executive. Kunebantu lekufanele ba-assume lama roles lawo bawende. And okay, on the note, building wall fences, if there's something that I do, maybe ngusing naming as a youthful or what, but the constituency yako, nasu ibalekele, we are not leading the people now. So you are pushing your own agenda to some extent. I believe nangabe ungene ngebantu kuzuba understand uvele tikalota bofanele uhlale nabo. But most then tend to run away with I bese bangifuna imali, or I must buy dogs. That's when they build this. I mean, I believe in creating the environment which lo muntu asitakale. Let us create the environment to offer people a platform which ba connect isebenta. Yes, true, I don't believe in ukuthi ndakuniketa imali, vele ngakuniketa imali tobuya kusasa utofuna imali again. Which maybe that can tend of ukuthi segang discourage. I mean, sengathi uthi ayiketene kutabek nabani hey ufuna imali lo, but we should create and sikusebenze ngeliqiniso. That is the biggest thing in office lengafuna vele kuyi achieve. I believe in the youth. Ngithi ngibelievela ku youth. I believe in bantu labadzala sesibonile, and kule space kwethu lesikphikile there's what is called urban poverty. I think bantu bathi ukuthi bantu labahluphekako bantu basemakhaya or in the outside skirts kanti bantu bayahlala la kamanzini with these high walls and everything alale umuntu wangathi because there is no income or any other thing lekhona. So uzuyati le reality leyo. You do this door-to-door knocks, you call meetings regularly. Ungababalekela abantu. Bakhethe unless ufakwe vele angathi ungene njani. But now ungene bantu and be open to criticize. But I believe sithi criticize and sibe constructive. Sesikwende phinze nangenhlonipho ukuthi sekunento lenje maybe lesiyibona ayihambi kahle. So na bese ubalekelela abantu utawathi njani silento ayisahambi kahle. So you must get it from the people, and ube nako lokuthi I take the punches I take. Like ungazuza mina power mina angisatsheleki I'm running riot nje. I mean power ngeze mina sengive ngemuntu. I believe in leadership usuku usolahlekile. Yes, I believe usolahlekile.
Yeah, khona meya namhla in the building. Kazange nimfuni. Ukhona uta imibuto isatobudeni ngisamele naye ngizafuna kucetha le yami guys. So the challenge is now Mhlonishwa ngoba phela na ngiyalungumeya and like you said you're the youngest. Yeah, tapping into new grounds. Probably you are facing what we are facing also with how it's serious now to siyabeka kuthiwa hey lo mfana lona wathi. So what are the challenges now because kusha ngiyacala kwendeka in history ukuthi kube nameya lomncane yini into maybe lo ngathi udifaceile ema challenges along the way nangabe bekakhona
nabe bekhona not much, I'd say, not much.
And what made them believe in you since we are young, Pela?
That's true. I wouldn't say my challenge is Abekona. Abekona is true. It's true in the nature of it based on he's young, what can he offer, is that and that Gubakona logo, and you get that after you've assumed the office. Then you get to be criticized. Say he's young, but you need to understand the environment of Butsi Ugo. Anyone can lead as long as you understand the environment. It needs you to take which direction ganjani. You know, it's nanyalo nje. Yes, ngahamba ngikulenye inzawo, I'm sure. It's ngiyafika okay, it's funny. Ngaqoqela lesinye nje story after I assumed office. I was actually invited to some event. Ngafika la kule event. Okay, ngifika babuthi okay mina ngingadi introduce as ngisima kwami mina ngingahlala ku yabo. Abathi ukuthi ngimewe just after elected. Loma-ke I'd say no. I put another sisi naba, but buwakunye lo mangelo in charge. I don't ngambe ngihlale pass. I read my speech because I had to read out a speech on the day. Umfunze speech some, and that's after when they bring the chain, the one that you were talking about.
I say exactly the chain there, guys.
My swag. Okay, I believe. After the chain was bought, ngigcoke akuquke lo make ngimbone ukuthi ushaya amahloni of course kani ngi treatelo putilo kanje agijima phela ngimaqala uxolisa ngithi man there's no need for you if there's one thing I like in my life, treat me as Wesley, not the office. I love that lineage ukuthi because kusasa angeke ngibe ngime so you won't treat me. I mean, I want you to treat me as you would treat me usho sengikho office ngenzi in most spaces nje nangekubantu ngeke say meme braai yakho wena lemfake braai wakho emine ngingimeya na unge braai wakho ngingwenzi I love that energy because nalo muntu ukuhlonipha ngalokuthi ungibani that ukuthi ungwesley it can never change but in office uyal assume then again
ufuna kubona if you in power guys wanna be seen that chain is not for that chain me and post on Instagram a lot that's it every time being a mayor guys
gonna it is I'm actually humbled by the position. I think that I can't believe for quite some time after I had assumed but then as the responsibilities came through, then you assumed Jankanza was in a make less space so it made it very, very easy to then assume hamba nayo le but vela khona la ma challenges ukuthi njalo example ngiveta uza maybe uvele enzaweni, maybe some people lo mayor lo mncane kangaka kanti ikhanze mina ngingumuntu I'm a very open-minded person. That's right. So I understand kakhulu even if they get it that way, that's how they understand it. I understand the environment differently.
Ucabanga ukuthi being in business first ikusitile kule mindset le lonayo ube ngumeya,
Yes.
because I think indlela esinayo lekuba i-challenge with people that are in power, they take everything personally. But to emotion, they rule with emotions.
Yeah, that's true.
You see, njengoba ushido ukuthi bantu laba ngathi usesikhundleni, but naso criticize, even if it's constructive sometimes. Umuntu uvele sekufika enhlitweni, hayi, you see. So you think being in business helped you to ube tough, ube naleyo tough skin?
Yeah, kakhulu. I don't want to lie, and especially for this kind of business, transport is a very volatile kind of business good now. So inzawule funa uwe grounded to some extent, especially leading nebantu ke transport and advocating for them, because lapha uhlala nebantu labadzala lapha who are leading these other offices. So I think naloko nje uyaya maybe banibite ka works or uhlale nalabantu labadzala labo omkhulu baka transport, you know, when you are the youngest one in the room, maybe naloko kuyabanika leyo confidence. And as kusane during the unrest ethu kanza nakhona khetwa letiketshane letikuthiwa atihambe tiye ku prime minister tiyozama kulobhisha on how can we buyisa ile environment ibe kahle boyukhanze nje ukuthi usho bakhethe abantu abayi6 ukuthi abayele in the whole country because bayangikhetha nami. So it was very like maybe there are things that they see in me lengatiboni, maybe ngibakhulumela kahle, maybe I represent what that voice bebasolo bangayiva, or that element of being youthful in approach. Maybe bayayithanza bona ngisay awuhambe uyosigatsela nabantu abadzala ukuthi bakhuluma kona yini ulalele. Okay, I can give my input into it. Samba nje I remember very well during the unrest nje sine meeting ka DPM, which was then Babe Themba Masuku. I remember bese kuma office akhe nje sila kulo mhlangano la ngephandle kuyasha. And at the same time fanele siphume from that meeting siye Bazreng siyokhulumisa labantu kulo mhlangano. So you can only imagine trying to be bakunete task lefana naleyo nje ukuthi lapha uthi usakhuluma nabo uve ma pallets ematsha ababuya ngala ngakini senikhuluma indvu labangafuni lifa. So leadership ingifunzise ukuthi how do you address lokhu ukubeke kahle utawuzama ukupleader le audience lena, but kube at the same time kube kuphusha le message ngithunywe yona, which becomes very easy. Sekuboshwe bobani fanele baserenkini bakhulumele baphume. At the same time, yes, babe baphula umthetho. How then now do you try and negotiate that? How ukuthola lokho, because we do not want a society whereby then uphula umthetho then irenke kwasuka kwendekala lokho batele ka then sa negotiate abamkhipha bantu abathi ukuthi kunemthetho lokhona which is there to actually govern us as a society, because nase kude lo mthetho lesiulandzelako only mayhem can proceed from there. I think ulapho more than anything.
Hayi ngiyavakala Mhlonishwa utana kahle lethi skin ngiyayibona ichamuka mina taxi industries hayi especially ke kubo Jozi kuzophuma netibhama akusiko la kudlalela khona lapha. So now Mhlonishwa ngifuna kwathi mina ngimvlomusha sonke sibantu labasha lokusila ngiyajabula nosingihleli nemvlomusha phinzi.
Yeah, that's true.
So I just want to know when were you sworn in, by the way? Was it May? Yeah,
May 5.
What do you have in store for us as the youth of Manzini? Yini lesingak expect ukuthi phela naku nyalo ngene Mayor wethu lo musha lo tawu understand that khalo tethu sinema content creator maybe sinabo majayivane like nabo bonke labazama because nyalo le system le point lesesikiyo nyalo Mayor seyithi asiti empowerishe thine ezina standele thine then maybe i-government noma whatever help ayiqhamuka isikhanza kepha in motion because nayimsebenzi kude so usithembisani man athi i-clarity podcast phinze sondula abasha nje at large kamanzini and yes and how can we also maybe help you as mayor achieve that?
I believe I'm honored kwanana nami ukuthi ngide la because I believe so much in the youth. I think uvile nase ngisho ukuthi kunalawo ama classes abantu that I actually believe in. That is one. And I'm happy ukuthi yes within the space sethu singumasipala we have what we call the youth chamber. The youth chamber I'd say the office le pusha tikalo tabo soma business labancane laba within our spaces semanzini but what usually happens lingaba khona le office but lingabi effective right uthiwa no sakha le office maybe nasithi structure sibo masipala fanele sithi nasoboleka imali kuphi kuthiwe kune youth chamber obantu sibanake lapha so I believe kungena kwami it's actually based on ukuthi if there is a voice of the youth fanele sive actually qhamuka ngalapho and ilaleleke and le office libe effective singabe nje le office because what I have since picked over the years usele office belikhona but belinga utilize kahle uma belingakhona loku kwenda letinvo or lithi operationalize lona to the extent of ukuthi libe effective kanti sesibonile vele ukuthi we need to move in a direction where we say we need to create jobs singasaye ngasekuseni ufuna umsebenzi yes umsebenzi ongafuna uphume but ufanele ube flexible to the extent of ukuthi okay ngasathola umsebenzi okay I tap into which industry maybe I'd say nganginenhlanhla nami ukuthi ngaphuma then I got to go in there nam advantage am kwakini ama permit abekhona ekhaya that made me tap into it so fanele ngingwezilimi ngibuke ukuthi what if lo munye umuntu abede le added advantage that I had me let us try and bridge the gap lapho right youth naba bayathengisa for an example nje siba ne flea market every quarterly but bese sifuna ukuthi ibe khona kakhulu I believe nje lokungihleli inside the studios business yemvu yensha le but ngifuna nabo because bastolo lesi allocated eThekhona somewhere ngifuna ukuthi nakunale flea market nabo bete ba showcase what they have as a youth sivame kuvala leto titrati of ukuthi no youth la in the busiest street abakhona go showcase what you guys have ninaloku ku showcase and on the other hand la arts can come in different forms uthi akungabi likhuni la kithi singumasipala nje for an example ukuthi ufuna kwenda show uletha maybe DJ Maphorisa for an example ukuthi bese sizama lokuqina or the laws are instingent aqinile based around that because I believe now let's say DJ Maphorisa when as a youth kunabantu abathengisa ema kebabs abakhona la celeni lomunye utawuthengisa ema drinks lomunye utawuthengisani that lele economy ibe ivuleke for the youth nangabe kuthiwa kuta i-trade fair lokunje kutabe ukuthi i-trade fair so very soon let us prioritize the youth ngasuki okay lokunye lokuqala naloku kuphusha is the local economic development as a policy ngithi le khona let us push the local economy let it come from the youth because now we are getting emakhaya la headwa banvana child-headed households yabo sekuhamba abantu abadala. So nabo abakhona lokubhadala ema-rates ungaze kuhamba umuntu omdala. Okay, let business nakuphuma ema-tender ngala ngakithi, let a certain percentage of that be given to young business people labakhona. Kungazithi ngathi kwaba i-monopoly ya someone else lokhona. Let the youth thrive, because I believe nana bakubona umncane uthatha i-direction, the same person now has believe ukuthi no, if someone done it emncane nana nami that I can tap in that space. Ngabe kanti nangusomabhizinisi se-involve concept yemlomdzala lothele ema-tender ahulumende and that's it. Let us go sathi nje ukuthi at least kude ibhizinisi and labo director bakhona they are below the youth now youth under 35. I don't know if now at least labo but bantu seba
ngelisonto bathi now sesingile ungashadi solo youth ungaba na 50 ngelisonto solo youth.
Yes, so naloko ukuthi si-identify ukuthi le youth kahle nguye, if it's 35 maybe bo director bayo, but siyathi ema-dynamics ekufront lo mnyanga front anganani let's but that's for the youth to lose. But it's in a city, no, at least labo director bale nkampani abe kept within a certain age that now creates of ukuthi asibone bozomabhizinisi labancane baphuma nabo asilwele lo ukuthi ne singibani la singlensha. Number 2, nana nathi ema markets ethu nana nathi or certain industries akube nale ring fencing lebakhona to promoter, because what is happening we find spaces whereby we are letting the businesses go to other people. I mean, noma ngitawuthi kuvilapha kweyouthini lokukhona, we do not know that, but letinye tinto nase ring fencing ukuthi no lana akuthathwe iyouth leliswati lenjani ingene. Okay, through this local, what happened was I was coming back for my second term. I pushed for a policy, the local economic development policy. It's an LED. Since we have started tendering things out, let it be given to labantu balanza wena. Ngabe sithi kuyaheshwa nje. Akusuke le youth ithole machine ube ngiyo lele sehesha la kule space, yes, at a certain standard bakhona kuba monitor. Because unwazi uzukhipha itenda uthi hey awuhesha ukanti bantu baheshele etulo lokuthi dawukhona kubuya kusasa. Kumele bantu laba monitor uthi no phela sithi mina ethu nasihesha uhesha kanje, but lawo ma opportunities lamancane, let those opportunities go to the youth. I think solo move around lokuthi siphushela le police, siphushela naletinye tinvo leti faka le youth ekhathi.
Guys, hlala na meya ufunzani mfethu ningi kufuna kudliwa le mali yamasipala kuheshele etulo.
No, just as a control measure, because we shouldn't create a space whereby city as advocated lokhu bese kubuya against us. Uyabo lokuthi hey wesijayibokele youth yakho lo wathi uphushela kiyo buka kenyalo seyenda njani, then sekubuya kusaseve kenyalo le purpose yakho ukuthi no siphusha sithi give us quality in everything, that not quantity. Yes, quantity can moves numbers, but nangabe kuyi quality ku lasting to a certain degree.
Hey, ngevakala Mayor. So out of curiosity, I have this question here. Would see, since umchita ulokhulele Brema, and you touched a little bit about your social life. What's your favorite sports to hang out around Manzinoma used to around Brema? It's fine, we don't judge, we listen. We listen kuphela, man.
I wouldn't want to pick specific sports nje, but ngasho ukuthi ngiyahamba. I'm an outgoing person, I'm youthful, yes. I believe you get people, you get youth in socialize, you get ideas, but I believe in kuba responsible in your life lo lesikhathi losithola kuloba ukuthi you get to be social, who's articulated, responsible in a responsible manner, I'd say that. But yes, very after assuming office sikuthabana ukuthi inyalo zekulukhuni nyalo ngathi ngakhanzakala lapha, it comes naturally ukuthi namfanele lesigaba nale responsibility lesenginiketwe yona ngiyithathe with dignity, ngingathi hey kusasa nasekwenteka mistakes but vele kufanele yabona we should try to protect the office, ngibe responsible nami in executing my duties. But going out, yes, I can bushfire, I was there, attend, and I was in the attend corporately.
Awuye Ocean Cuisine. Tiyabuya Ocean Cuisine. Ocean Cuisine nobambe emanzini.
I'd say I attend, I do go. And some of these places actually offer good food, offer good njalo kamalutsi cuisine. The foods are their dishes can be good. Nabo exchange things already corner, they do offer good food and good nightlife at the same time. But laba outgoing, there are various sports like when they tend to offer you I'd like that. So sometimes we are see that plate of food, but it's a space get to socialize, have my plate.
Be on the ground, listen to the people.
Listen to the people, then yes, be responsible at the same time in Pumen. Yes.
I've one question before I let the guys ask a question.
Okay.
We two parts of the question. Was how are you planning on helping the youth? I think you answered it. Then I said later, how can the youth also assist you in achieving whatever that you are trying to do? Singakubambisa kuphi as inshane ngoba iyabukela inshanyana nayo kosasa it's a two-way thing. Yes, we can't always, because all the time I feel like it can be a bit unfair ngoba sahlale sithi asendelwa naka but the question is thina sendani. So maybe let's get to know ukuthi tubambisa you in your department yini nathi lesingayenza to make your work easier, smithane halfway.
I believe kuhlu. I believe kuqala Malama communicational I'll place an example. Nangibite nje umhlangano for an example Ward 6, which is the Ward la. What we usually tend to get le youth aid as a first step nje ukuthi siyaqala utobita lo mhlangano mnele wathi lamakusile likhulu nje ukuthi labo 50 people in that meeting lengaba nayo every 2 months to 3 months to some, because enanama le mihlangano fanele ibe productive, ungathi nje uhost imihlangano every month that we're repeating the same things that sisenga achieve lokule muva lesikwendawo. So lengakusho ukuthi nabe lama platform avulekile, which it can be through lama meetings, ayite le youth ito submita kuye lo msebenzi abe melula wena my friend. If senginale backing yale youth lamva kwamnana nayo ikhuluma, kungabe ngathi mina ngiyakhuluma ngeNgwezli advocate le youth, but le youth inasibite le mihlangano yona ayibi khona to try and advocate. Kungaze ngathi mina ngipusha iagenda yami. So as a first step I'd say lama youth akazame lo participate, and I'm glad as I had put it ukuthi I want to see nale youth chamber yami le khona. I think that communicate nayo ukuthi come on guys, be vibrant, funani lama platform ngisho nani ndanisita, but velani nikhulume, place your letikhalotene sithi document. Yes, singadati, it's true hayi ukuthi azathi ukuthi ikhona, we do know, but sometimes no to le platform ukuthi that they are consistently repeating this bese kugcine kufikile. So youth inana nayo ingasita in that. I'd say it's more communication based, and again I'd say ikhona lenye youthful leaders that we'd have and business people la sebakhona kuphumelela, right? Nanabo bangasita labo babe basebenze nathi sibomeya ukuthi if bangitana nabo sihambe try and motivate because
bangasitakala bese bagcuma bahlala lapha ngathi kude. Oh, I see.
Let us go back nanabo kibo labo labangasita which are young business people, not just being young business people nalabanye lababadzala bangabakhona, to try and voice out i-belief because labanye abantu sebalahle hope nje ngempilo. But if nikhona niphila ne-youth nisho ukuthi no, I pushed up, I had the shop, I pushed. Labanye bantu nje need to be given that sense of believing. Nanam njengimi, it doesn't mean I had things easy. I've had things very difficult to some point. Honestly, depression you'd get to understand. Those are things that are real. Labanye bantu batsinga ukuthi bakurisheke there babe nale believe umuntu avuke. And of late bese sikubona sengathi ku stigma, some people tend to take their lives ngalokuthi into bathi bahambeli kahle. So that's the biggest I'd say into lengikhalisako kakhulu ukuthi no, if your chips are down you can still come back yabo, or if you have never had the space you can still penetrate. Nami nje ngafundzela i-auditing, but I mean completely different fields out of. So say nale youth ukuthi yes you done engineering, but you can be a millionaire if you can tap in business in mathematics, that's in farming, that is completely different from maybe when they meteorological engineering, which like is mining total. So you can tap in that can be your field. Ngiloko lengicela le youth lele kuma spaces, I'd say you guys now lesi singazama loku ukuthi sizamene because le youth iseyendeni angahlala etitolo yendani ba they've tend to try and live more like a routine life. Ngiyavuka ngesitolo ngiyabhema, Friday I get to drink, and now they've lost that sense of ambition nema goals lokuthi nami ngadibona ngilapha. Don't live to say Atlona, I X5 leisure. Want to have the X5. You have that drive. I can have that Maybach. Lona wendanjani kuze I told the Maybach. Maybe I can start in the hood in Kale ekuthengisa is that merchandising or that clothing ngihamba ngiqhuphe ngiyabuya. A lot of streams la ngaba khona in that sense. Let's say ukuvela le advocacy issue le youth through ukuthi nasibita le mihlangano ivele sinakhansi labantu labadzala nanibita masipala nivele issue le youth ikhale lapho
i-capturation ngayo lekufunako le youth. I think lapho mhlonishwa yendiwa ngilokuthi iba ngathi hayi into for abantu labadzala boguda kuwe because kude le pulling factor kule poster or whatever. So yade na kusifana sinawubalethela ulethe ma artist ulethe utobakhanga ngoba bathi banjwa ngetikudlala ngesizathu asenzame kubafakela lama piano DJ nani lama crowd puller ukuthi nabete bese niyabafikela because vela ngeke baze bete kubitenine because bafuna ke la kune vibe khona njengoba usho.
Mina nje in my space nje enzaweni la ngibeya khona nje kunema artist bo Tiba banele good born and raised nakhona naye.
Shout out to Tiba. Ufikile wasivashana la show.
Yes, born and raised in the hood. I was with him naye back kulandvela abantu labo. Those are the platforms. Bring la when I saw the show, yes, have that crowd pull along about South Africa, but nalama local artists within our spaces abekhona tap into that.
Ay, ngiyavakala mhlonishwa. Ay sengishiya kimi manje. Imibuto ngiyathi khona. Use the mic lapha. Then to ask questions. Khona lamanye la on paper mhlonishwa kumadima nami.
Okay,
Okay, question number 1.
Okay.
Right?
Utaba audible.
Okay. So, Masipala has too much red tape. It's something. Masipala has too much red tape. It's something that we've experienced. See youth not just me, but even other youth that comes by scope and stolo during the Monday to Saturday. Nasebenza lana basho ukuthi hey manje kusevula stolo. Khamba kanjani? I'm like, even I went through the normal route. I didn't really do it via Masipala. I'm doing it like any other person. Hey, manje it's in my red tape. I remember at some point they were even chasing photographers from the streets of Manzini at some point. Okay. It's one thing we were arguing with. Why are you guys chasing away photographers? Because they need my trading license, because they shoot and they... I'm like, these are kids, man. You want a 17-year-old kid with a camera to go, okay, it's red tape. It's a lot. So, the red tape layer, how is Masipala dealing with it? Is it... Someone was actually saying the other day, I think we don't have street food. Yeah, like if you go to India, you go to China, you go to somewhere else, there's no street food. Even South Africa, the street food. So with Manzini being the major hub, with the most, what's the red tape vibes there? What's going on?
Okay, on that one, we pendula in two ways. Why say that? I'd have to answer it in two ways. Okay, lele ma veg la le kosha banvu inema dynamics ayo. No. Why am I saying that? You get umuntu lo license lo vendako lo patalako. Right, we have remittance. It's in my user fees. That's how. It's another form of how we get to, because the subvention as our told it's from Kulmendelo Mkulu. So we try and run my rates, so it's my rates, local rates, government rates, my user fees, and other PPPs. So now we complain about my rate payers, which are the business people, or loyo mundlo vendor, or totsi. Sekulukhuni kimi ukuthi ngibhadale because sekunemuntu lo tshengisa emakabishi lo ngena la ma buildings, like in that sense you do understand le pledge la kiyo lo muntu uthi naye uzama imbili, but sesikanze asho the question itibeka ukuthi kunalawo ma red tapes because you can't say ukuthi then sekucala lama complaints aqhamuka from the people who are trading of ukuthi because it was we resistance ukuthi laba ayibathina ngesibhadala sakho because we are facing competition from balazi bathengise matamatisi behlaba yenyuka. On the other one again, the street food, yes, it's a good idea, but best kanza thina sikavegile. I hope before I leave office, one of the things the look advocate lama red tapes. But what has happened is lama red tapes las what khona. Sizamile kwacha ema red tapes kule informal trading le ngekho la dolobheni. Like le informal trading le maybe engwane park ukuthi ufuna trader engwane park, while we are still trying to formalize a working thing lengaba khona lengaba la kaManzini. So we've let it loose. We've pushed lokubengene nje my second term ne council le khona we even identified tinzawo lekuthiwa ama servitude. Tinzawo lo tokhanza ukuthi damasipala tihleli nje atisebenzi. So ukuthi nina ne youth buyanda kithi ni sothi identify. So what happens is ubitale emihlangano the youth is not there kanzine sifuna le youth ukuthi identify le things zawo ukuthi mina ngingathengisa la koneni la ngibeke i-trailer yami and try and when siyazama but yes le ring fencing within la CPD, but we're still trying to work around that. But now thethe i-trailer yakho nje wena wayicelela ukuthi angi-youth ngwalandzaweni i-preference ke sihambise embili ukuthi let the preference be labantu because set anale notion ukuthi people are struggling economically, right? So wena ungaya kuyosebenza ucele sisi ukuthi ena ngisaye emsebenzini mina nje ngihlala eJivila station usino andiva wena uthengisa ibreakfast uthengisa incwancwa la while I go somewhere. That actually helps and eases the economical burden lekhona in running your household. I can now ngibuyisele kuma rates yabo because ifanele sithi silwa nalenza ba ima rate size nanani saniketa to try and ease the burden ukuthi let that economical flow be there. Bantu abahlala nje around Mavuso ba complain ngemsimvo sesithini vele kufanele lo muntu ocomplain ngalomsimvo yena you should be given preference ukuthi aka trade la aka benefit out of the economic
from the stadium.
Uyabo wabona kutosuka umuntu le and come and take the opportunity maybe nana nawe bo apply ile lapha wakhanza ukuthi uyithole opportunity ngalokho see there is someone else lo solapha no sithi let labantu labahlala and I happen vele mina ukuthi ngibe
Top of that, the person's a ratepayer.
yes on top of that the person is a ratepayer. So this is no let the opportunities. Okay, let me say nabe ema stalls I 60 let 20% ibuye 20 maybe which is around 33%. I ibuye ngalanga kithi thina ukuthi we will stawunika le youth nalama ratepayers ukuthi azame ukusebenzisa nawo to try and angene kuthepa la kule economy. It's the flea market kule flea market nje we are trying now to bring in lama residents kungasuka umuntu lo nestall ngale phinza boyangenela kule flea market and explore that opportunity again. Akuthi lama residents angene apartake in that zone or thing lengaba khona angathi noma ngikhona lokusele
Hayi ngathi ukanswer isho kwangithuka sene question lenye labanayo.
So, how do we get access to you as the mayor? How do people get access to you?
Hey, dingoni letiningi.
Okay, honestly speaking, after assuming office, I really don't want to lie. I believe I can answer. You get these calls, labesayangena, some of which lamanye are overwhelming. I'd say labanye bantu bafuna. Hola, so mayor. It's totally matenda, you know that kind of talk.
No,
it doesn't work. You'd be shocked. The first message I got from someone and congratulate Angie up until he eventually saw me. Uzi yakumbula imessage yakho ku Facebook nangu inboxela ukuthi congratulations ematenda hayi sembabathe. It tends to be challenging in that effect. Based on one, I do not issue out tenders. Kunale ndlela lekwendekela ngayo lengakadvise mina ngiko ukuthi faka as long as it's youthful we can try push for that agenda. Shano ukuthi umncane, shano ukuthi uhlala la kamanzi, maybe it can be an advantage advantage because tendering nayo inemithetho yakhona lekhona so but we are trying to bridge it in a logo. We advocating ukuthi let us try and bridge ukuthi angeke phela supplier kwema pen not like being we believe business if nana nibhadala rent la so for you to ukuthi lo landlord wenu akhona ku submitter ema rate scheme fanele nina nibe occupy le space so as long as the space ba rent abantu the landlord is able to remit rates to me so the concept is 18 lapha give the business to the local businesses la khona within our spaces sitawubona le economy idrive la ngekhathi bakhone because thina singumasipala we do not operate to make a profit we see operator we to break even thina si provide a service kuthi la bese akufanele ukuthi ngabe sekuphela umnyaka we have declared so much profit no imali ayibuyele i-service ema-residents ifake i-infrastructure kusina kune-pothole sikhona kuyigciba nje as we say ama-challenges akhona not like asiboni ukuthi the roads are there thina I think sebasithuka ukuthi ware pothole city gani lama-challenges akhona
siyi-pothole city
thina nje kucala nje kwekuthi kuqale I think kwase kuba i-reality nyalo sengi-assume i-second term yami of ukuthi we are not going to get subventions from government. So that actually affects your financial. So we're trying to look at other funding mechanisms that asenza thina singulokumasipala sizame lokufunction in a way. But on that note, sengibaleka kule question I'm reachable.
It's not make sure.
I'm easy. Now, sure you can stop me on the streets. You can voice out your opinion. I'm there for you. I'm there to...
Maybe email, email, no my assistance number, no my Facebook.
I've got a Facebook account, but as long as we are sikhuluma lama ideas, not out of ukuthi ngifake backdoor phela sengifuna umsebenzi wakamasipala or that's where le
yes chaza lenzaba ema-favor ema-backdoor ema-tender
apply if kuvele nje umsebenzi I'd say you can motivate kule application yakho usuhlala kamanzini you are as a motivation I wouldn't know I don't work in HR angicashanga nawe unginethe nje CV I'm not a CV but I can knock on other doors. I don't want to lie. I can maybe meet other people, listen now. Okay, I can say, no, from business lane, go, no, talk to this one. There's a contact. We should say, we tolerate me and try and, because in some cases you'd get a scenario whereby, ngutholela umsebenzi azofika le msebenzini lena so bayinkinga I'm not saying ungaba inkinga but so bayinkinga so angishayela lo lesithole umsebenzi lo muntu wakho lona uyambona yalo yangihlupha then so I'd want scenarios whereby I believe in merit above it all yes merit should supersede everything nangabe sithi siyayisebenza merit everything always work to be the best in everything.
Siyacela nayo social media presence ibe khona bomasipala ngoba le youth ingabhlenya ukuthi ayidi but to be quite honest i-youth ihlala social media asimboni masipala social media at all asathi kusungubani wendani we didn't even know about the mayor not in a bad way but we didn't even know ukuthi kuna mayor ukhethwa nini so sicela nale ukuthi department yakho usikhulume nayo ukuthi and this goes to not only masipala kamanzini in general because the thing for us start ngoba si youth is like cingweni nanifuna ukuzireacha richeni ngetincingo. This platform is number one. I'm giving you a hint. What's now in my 70s?
Okay, let office let on that note. I'm actually happy you asked that question. I know there's a lot that you are actually going to be seeing. I'd say watch the space.
Ach.
Watch the space on that.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
Watch the space.
Okay, no problem.
Another question from Manzini Youth.
Okay.
Coming with them.
Okay.
How can you help us get funding?
Okay.
Does it exist? Let me make an example, funding.
So vele ufuna ifavor lo mfana ncese. So ufuna live le favor.
No, these are true questions honestly.
Ncese ubuta.
For example, I once had a conversation with someone close, member of the team. We were discussing funding, right?
Okay.
He's good at what he does, right? And he needs specific type of funding to utilize his skills so he can earn, even if he's earning on weekends or even if he's earning for whatever, but he wants to get equipment. And his funding model was, if he gets the equipment, he will use that equipment to assist the funder. Whether the funder is Masipala or Manzini, whether the funder water,
in a way.
For the equipment, you have 50,000, and then 6 months to a year, when utasendela umsebenzi wa 50,000.
That
then
is
after a
true.
year, you keep your equipment, you have to be like paying. So that's an example I'm making
Of a model.
That's actually smart.
From a youth, Very young
Yes,
person, very brilliant person. But akahamba lapha kuthiwa.
Usawunda njengamcebo ke phana.
I wouldn't run away from that. I think
Does the type of funding
exist,
these
okay.
models exist, and yes.
I'd say for now sine le funding ngingathi kwanyalo kude, but we are working to try and conceptualize this spaceless kanjalo. Why am I saying that? Angeke nanani sithi ni youth sithi ayi kuyane mission into hesha lokube ngikukhuluma lokwale LED bese nibabethe le machine uyabona ukuthi technically le nto iphinze knock out nini. So we are still trying to create nayo le model la khuluma ngayo is a very brilliant idea and that I believe in ukuthi angeke sisinazi hayi LED go ahead ihesheleni. I don't even have a cent. Maybe I might struggle with naphele inyanga how do I buy groceries. So to keep itenda youth ayithathe that has to do with ukukhatha tshani. For an example, I'll use that one lengathi ubuya ngakithi. Bese ukhatha le youth telefinance yokufinance le nto. So naloko besisazama loku conceptualize ngiyothi the voice. I'm happy we're working on this social media, Facebook, TikTok is also relevant in other things if you are going to try and drive information through. I use TikTok if you are trying to promote your business or information, TikTok tends to be relevant. So I'm happy through Lama platform let's say Zama Kwatepa and through the office lo benzi watch the space. Those are some of Lama platform la utawuzama ku engage with those kind of things because umuntu wavila athi hayi lo masipala kanti ukanzi lo muntu akadinga lo masipala. So you need to first try and put the information out masipala function kanje. We've got le youth chamber yethu. Personally I'm going to go on that. Personally it's going to be my baby kucheka ukuthi ngabe ngibahlelela ni sitha ngale youth chamber. Yibo sayivulela with the aims of trying to put a certain agenda. Is that agenda going through? Because what we've picked up the last time of ukuthi kwakungathi le office lebese khona but lilapha but libe lizama lokuvoice but linganakeki but I'm glad of late but nabakhuluma nathi nasikuvoice out kwaba khona loyo mnyakato lo mncane lebakhona. In terms of the funding, it's a good concept like now. It didn't rest on us of ukuthi silobhishe nema stakeholders ethu la khona. Through years we need to try and have some guarantees njengoba abona ukuthi Mr. Spa man, so maybe next time you need to paint your buildings, go for the youth. Banigete lo msebenzi but that's the lobbying we need to go out and tap into ulabo soma business laba kule space. FinCorp ufuna nako okay FinCorp isacela through le youth chamber yefule khona give lo msebenzi kanje they want to fund this model but awenda na involve abatayenda because yes the funds can be limited because it's malventions on our side. We nathi nje sibanilabalana in trying or to move as in masipala but the going concern yayo lo masipala is stable, it's futuristic but it needs le thinking. You know, youth wayibeka they are very much innovational. Through lama platforms basho then lama red tapes at the same time it can rest on us sinesibosoma business and leaders of which let us now try to tap into lokuthi let us loosen there and there because lo muntu uthi I then close my shop because botamatis bebasana ngani operate lala then they sekuthi lo mlo rentako then now the landlord suffers. So we must try and balance lama concerns our own lama stakeholders la khona ukuthi stakeholder A and B and C
since le innovation innovation kanjalo sesingena ku-question leya ngakhona lapho sive sothi research lona le question ayidaba ngiyathi smart city initiative,
green initiatives, yes, that's true.
smart city initiative uthi something about asichazele ngayo nje kabantu.
Okay, that's
Smart city.
yeah, smart city, going green in a way, I'd say. I think that's a very important question. Besihlangene nabo mayor besne AGM amical, and that is the question lesebutwa ke nyalo kakhulu. Going green can come in kufaka camera and controlling the developer from your seat. I believe is a smarter way. Smart city, going green, and other concepts la ngaba khona, because lo umuntu uthi going green asangilimata ihlahla mina ube green le dolopha. So I believe through the information and the concept uthi what is a green smart city concept. Gcina ngalokho simine sengifake camera that limits me there. Lo muntu uthi moving smart nje sine project lesifuna kuyenda yo free wifi internet through the space sethu singumasipala. So
sayifuna le. Sayifuna le.
I believe
exclusive.
Yeah, that part of the initiative la sazama. Yes, but we akufanele sibe ngathi siku conceptualize within only a certain space.
Yes.
It should be come in broader spaces. So no, now on the internet, since we are trying to promote ngiyabekisa sabale
Let's Elon Musk.
For example, that's a very Trump. To try and be being innovative, the concept is satellite bus rank. I think people even invested around the spaces lenders. So nasekune internet, nasekune nzawulele iyabakhangala abantu futhi babe khona. Then we can try and push le agenda ya le satellite bus rank naso kunalabo Johnson I believe la sebakhona ukuthi it's a free Wi-Fi kind of space lo itholakala you can tap around it, tries and markets a certain area because sifuna le dolopha likhule kungasina likhula ngala sekunalamanye ama streams ale dolopha la quiet that becomes ghost in a way. So sifuna because now siyabuka nyalo it's growing more towards GV Central if ungathi uyalibuka because nakhona there's a proposed police station that out like Mbabane sekutawu suka the main police
sinawe uchabanga ngakhona ngeke ubheka ngakhona. Uphinda uthengisa wena mina
not exactly. I believe Viltolopha li runway town planning scheme. There's a town planning scheme that's there. Kunako lokuthi lokhu ngakwenda la lokhu angeke ukwendela through town planning schemes ngilethi info nje lesetshoke ukuthi kunabo service utlana le youth ngendani through lama meetings abahambi bathu sinasebenta inangone town planning scheme that actually lekhona lethi thine sisebenta na nje la dolobheni ungenda this kind of business la angeke isibe because value wena sofuna kwakha i-factory because valley can akusa appeal to that space or zoning lekhona.
Hey. No.
It's the zoning. It's not me. Maybe I'm placed in a good zone. I wouldn't know. Lo munye umuntu angakhala ukuthi I will resist senesilethela umsindo la lo munye aphinza athi no I have seen this opportunity ukuthi ngidabo washata imoto odala abantu laba la blocking bathi ukuthi I'm youthful ngathi uzemini ngwashata imoto odala abantu laba bayathi uthi ngiyouth yalanzawo lo asekuletha umsindo. So being in leadership, the biggest challenge is trying to balance interests. It's very difficult, but you try and navigate. Lo opportunity. Lo miyubona kani youth lesengunakile ngako. Bangibo labanga sibacishe sebayawabona lama opportunities because now it's okay. Sekunalama ideas nje la khona nje lokube that come through the question of ukuthi sekunana kuma car wash look mobile right? You see, unakhona ukubona la kubo TikTok. If you go on TikTok, a lot of businesses that you can actually pick up from there. Uyabona khamba, but lo muntu usokubonile ku TikTok ukubone ngani nge-Wi-Fi mina lengimnikete yona. Sekuba i-ID i-funding again ke seyibuya because yena sesimniketile went green through this smart city initiative. So bulawa inhloko kenyalo sobonele i-ID TikTok so ufuna kuyisebenzisa nya.
Ndzaba ye-Wi-Fi ngicwa kakhulu.
Yes, sobona
i-strugglisha every day. Every day. Hey. Uploader. Hey. So angisimebe bese ngisuke ngathi fungala ngala Wi-Fi. Angisathi ngoba bosa elaborate kule point.
No, I did.
Ngicabanga ukuthi Mayor for today, I don't know if kunema question la sele but now khona ngathi singasavele for the next episode. Ngicabanga ukuthi guys, please comment on the comment section down below questions that you'd like to ask the Mayor. Ukuthi anakabuya sivele sicale ngawo because satobuya mos Mayor mos obvious.
I'm open. I'd most definitely want to answer my questions. Nasengabuyi short successful purpose.
Yes.
So as long as invitation amenye ngesikhathi ngizoza makutihlela namjili lokungifikela office ngiyabona ukuthi no office libusy nje usuhleli babese bakufuna ngalana ezisathi nje usi silo ingwenyama yaze usisale akube nankwe. So nje uhleli la kungena licingo nyalo ukuthi engagement lesekule funa so being a mayor part of it ke sengiloku engage leti into leti fana naleto and I'd say I'd put it through to youth nabo bonke abantu labakhona ekutheni as I get to be exposed and in other spaces that abakhona ukuthi I try and push ngama ideas la sebawavetako and try and get leti khwama leti khona lekufanele tibe khona for maybe ngisho ukuthi okay we've got a youth chamber in Swaziland that will be going out of the country soon. We should try and market that through correspondence. The youth chamber, we source this funding for these structures. Labakona, on that plate. I think it can try and see the advocacy actually comes on that space. Yes, and yeah. Yes. I believe my questions about
he made the promises, guys. Next time Narabuya, we take him on it. Yes, how far, and neguthi yin leyo that we can expect. Not unless khona lobo funa kungeta mhlonisha. I think this marks the end of today's episode.
Okay, I know. Lengakusho nje awuze to my citizens nje amanzini holistically nje kusho ukuthi no noma kulukhulu kangaka within the spaces la khona but we are trying our best so lona sifuma we are trying to push ukuthi we try and make living within the space alamanzini sibe ngolesingiso for my residents ethu. I'd say nje kulo no mandate still ikona. We are still trying to push a mandate yethu sikule space and good luck to you guys within your spaces. Push and the pushing ingabo ukuthi siyisalela ngakuyouth nalabanye abantu abakhona women in power, gender equality within our spaces nayo iphume ithathe ishape. Yes.
Siyabonga, man.
Thanks a lot.